In the last video, we sealed the paint with Autoglym's HD wax for that deep showroom gloss. But maintaining that protection, that's where the HD shampoo comes in. Let's break it down and see if it delivers. Hi everyone, I hope you're all okay. In my last video, I used Autoglym's HD wax. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link in the description, or you can go to the channel and have a look. Now, in this video, what I'm going to be doing is testing out Autoglym's HD shampoo. Now, this shampoo is recommended to be the one to use if you have used the HD wax. I brought it from my usual car shop, but noticed something different. Just take a look at their point of sale. Wouldn't you just love this in your own garage? Or is that just me being weird? Well done, Autoglym. It does look great. Let's see if it actually protects the shine and leaves the wax intact. So let's give it a go. So that's the shampooing done. Let's go and have a look at the results. The HD shampoo really did glide across the paintwork, and as it says on the box, it really is effortless. After drying, the bodywork was smooth to the touch. So what score am I going to give Autoglym's HD shampoo? Well, I'm going to base my scoring on the following criteria: price, ease of use, and result. So based on my criteria, I'm going to give Autoglym's HD shampoo a solid 9.5 out of 10. Well, thanks for watching. If you've got this far, why not consider subscribing? It is free. Just hit the subscribe button, and that would really help the channel grow. Also, if you've enjoyed it, give it a massive thumbs up. So until the next one, I will catch you then.